Hello, and welcome to the Master's Programme in Real Estate here at the University of Manchester. My name's Mark Shepherd, and I'm the Programme Director, which means that I oversee the delivery and development of this programme. You're joining a large and diverse academic community in the Department of Planning and Environmental Management, and you'll meet a number of my academic colleagues during your studies here at Manchester. This distance learning programme is designed to provide you with a stimulating and worthwhile educational experience, and to provide a gateway to the real estate profession. So, the programme has been developed with a number of key principles in mind. Firstly, to make you commercially aware, that is, to understand the business context in which you're operating. Secondly, we want you to appreciate the impact of globalism and sustainability. Thirdly, we want you to be effective in utilising a broad range of knowledge and skills. In the UK, this subject used to be called general practice because of the breadth of areas in which you might operate. And fourthly, and perhaps most importantly, we want to encourage you to develop connections between the knowledge and understanding gained in one unit and that you gain in other units. So we want you to explore the links between and across the different units that you study. So, sorry, can I start at the bottom? Right, I'll start with 4, okay? Is that okay? Yeah. Right, fourthly, we want to encourage you to develop the connections between the knowledge and understanding you gain in one unit and, sorry, I haven't written it very well. Let me just, give me a second to think. Yes, okay, got it. Sorry.
You started from fourthly again.
Fourthly, we want to encourage you to develop the connections between the knowledge and understanding that you gain in one unit and that you gain in other units. So some of the blocks of study have an element of common assessment covering both units. So you may be wondering, what's a block of study? Well, the programme's structured around 4 6-month blocks of taught units where you study 2 units in each block, one after the other, and a final block for the research-based dissertation. Each one of the 8 taught units is 15 credits, which represents about 150 hours of study. So typically, you'll have to complete 300 hours of study in each 6-month block. This will include study materials, exercises, reading, assignments, and so on. This is an average. The units are structured so that you can work through the material at your own pace within the 6-month window, although there are specific deadlines for the assignments. You will study 3 blocks which contain compulsory units, where you study specific pair of units that we've selected for you. So, for example, in your first block, you will study real estate markets, followed by property valuation. And then you will study a further block consisting of options, where you choose the pair of units that you're going to study. Each unit will have assessments totaling 4,000 words or equivalent. Each block of compulsory units contains 2 types of assessment: unit-specific assessments, which are 2,000 words for each individual unit, and a block assessment, which is a 4,000 word combined assessment representing 2,000 words from each of the 2 units. The options are assessed individually. You will each be allocated an academic advisor, probably better known as a personal tutor, to provide pastoral support during your time on this programme. You'll receive further details at induction. I hope that you will enjoy your time on the programme. If we can do anything to help you with your studies, please do let me know. Details of how to contact me can be found below this video, where you can also find the program specification, which is an overview of the program, including the aims and learning objectives. Program structure, which is how the different units fit together. And the unit specifications, which detail the structure and content of each individual unit. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy your time with us.